Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our Seat Exeo. So this is our 2011 Seat Exeo estate. It's covered just shy of 90,000 miles from new. Has had 2 former keepers, with the last owning it since 2013. It's got 8 service stamps, and whilst in our care, we've replaced the all-important cambelt water pump, put 2 new front tyres on it, replaced both front disc and pads just to take care of an MOT advisory, giving it a fresh MOT and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in good condition for the age and mileage. A couple little marks on the bodywork and alloys here and there, as you've got to expect. It is a 2011 car. But overall, it is a smart looking motor. It does look good. Inside, you've got heated leather seats in the front. Aftermarket stereo with Satnav and Bluetooth connectivity for phone calls and audio streaming. It's a 6-speed manual, 2-litre diesel. You've also got steering wheel controls, cruise control. And overall, it's all looking really good. Good bit of legroom in the back. Quite spacious. Again, leather's all looking in good condition. And you've also got a nice big practical boot. Really nice practical motor. Well looked after, low mileage, low owners, cambelt's been done, MOT advisory's taken care of, 2 new front tyres on the front as well. Overall, a very, very nice motor. Quite high spec too, all ready to go to its new owner. If you like this sort of motors, why not check out our website? All of our stock's on there. And if you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.